welcome to my house. So I am Rajan Shah. I am from Mumbai, and I am a government contractor. So we make cement concrete roads. ये जो नागपुर में आपके जितने भी सीमेंट रोड बने हैं, majority of them are made by me. Yeah. So I am a government contractor, and I make cement concrete roads. So that is my passion actually, and since 1988 I am making concrete roads. और 1988 से लेके आज तक जितने भी सीमेंट रोड बनाए मैंने, एक भी रोड पे एक भी खड्डा नहीं है. Yes, I have made cement roads in Mumbai. I have an office in Mumbai, then in Pune, Aurangabad, Nagpur, Wardha, Amravati, Hinganghat. So I have all the places, and everywhere we are working, we are contractors at all these places now also. Yeah, so I have made roads in Dhamangaon also. That was in the year 98, 99. Dhanajgaon also near Amravati. So we made a lot of concrete roads, and I specialize in that. I am a civil engineer. Yeah. So this company was started by my father, and now this is a third generation company. And we are into government contracts.
Originally from Mumbai, so you started there?
Yeah, I started in Mumbai. I started from Mumbai. So I stay there. So even after this, I am going back to Bombay. So every week, 2-3 days, I am here. So, and I have got a lot of properties here in Nagpur. We have got an RMC plant. So जो RMC के plants रहते हैं ना, so that makes that concrete mixtures you must be seeing. So I have got about 35, 36 of them.
Wow.
Yeah. So this is who I am, and it so happened that in the year 2019, I joined the program in Delhi by Rahul Jain. He is a business coach. I think India's #1 business coach. So he teaches us how to do your business on autopilot. So without going to office or working one day in a week, how to run your business. So that is what I was trained for 9 months in Delhi in the year 2019. Yeah. So a lot of things I implemented from there. It was an amazing session. I think he is just amazing. Rahul Jain from Delhi, and he teaches you how to run your business working one day in a week. And he taught me a lot of things, and one of them was law of attraction. So how many of you all are aware of what is law of attraction? Yeah? Everyone?
Yeah.
No problem. So let me share it with you. So what I have been doing is, for the last 3 years now, 2019, 20, 21, मैंने उसको इतना अच्छे से स्टडी कर दिया हूँ मैंने, this law of attraction, that it is working amazing. I have benefited like anything. And Rahul Jain sir said, if you don't remember anything in my 9 months program, only if you remember this, your life will change. And actually my life has changed. So I wanted to share this science, sharings of mine. So what I have learned, how I have benefited, and how simple it is. So law of attraction क्या है? So first of all, you would like to share something you know about?
It's a very basic idea. I'm more interested. I'm here to listen today, sir.
Okay, fine. So anybody would like to share?
I can speak.
What
and
is?
not talk, but
You have been asking to the universe and it starts planning and getting things to you somewhat.
Okay. Just anything, whatever is coming into your mind.
So basically, according to my understanding, law of attraction would be when I would like to work on some subject or maybe an individual or a group of people together. But at the same time, the cause or the motive of the work I'm going to be there with even the individual or the subject or an entity. While if I'm interested in this particular thing, the universe will help me to find my way through it.
Right. Yeah. So true.
the mindset you have comes back to you.
Perfect. एकदम right है. So I am a civil engineer. मुझे civil engineering समझता था, और मैंने ये पूरा का पूरा ये जो science है, it is how scientific it is. Now anybody is an engineering student?
I'm a civil engineer over here.
मैं भी civil हूँ फिर.
Sir, if you don't mind, where have you graduated from?
I have graduated from Manipal.
Same, sir. Manipal University.
What?
Yeah.
क्या बात है? Okay, so I passed out in 1987.
2019 batch, sir.
अच्छा।
You were born like that?
In 97, 98 I was born. And my dad is also into civil engineering.
Yeah. So maybe my classmates are your teachers over there now.
Yeah, for sure, sir.
Yeah.
For sure.
So I was in Manipal for 4 years. So anyway, we'll talk about it later. So मैंने क्या किया, इसको पूरे के पूरे साइंटिफिक जो न्यूटन्स लॉ है या आइंस्टाइन जो बोल के गया, हाउ इट इज व्हाट दे हैव ऑलरेडी सेड. सो व्हाट इज लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दिस. सो लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन क्या बोलता है? वॉट एवर यू थिंक, वॉट एवर यू स्पीक, वॉट एवर यू बिलीव, यू अट्रैक्ट. सिंपल. आप जो भी बोलते हो, जो भी सोचते हो और जो भी बिलीव करते हो, वॉट एवर योर बिलीव्स आर, यू आर अट्रैक्टिंग इट. You are attracting that into your life. It is simple. So again I repeat, why? Because this has to be very clear, and this is scientific. How scientific it is, how it can be, I mean, I can show you some experiments, you will be shocked. क्योंकि ये सब कुछ मैं करके बैठा हूँ. 3 साल में मैंने कम से कम 15 से 17 किताबें पढ़ी हैं on this subject, and there are thousands of books. I have read all the best-selling authors. I have attended a program by Tony Robbins. He charges 4 lakh rupees. So I have learned from him also. I have been trained over there also, and I have just come to this conclusion that this law of attraction always works. और ये अभी तक किसी को पता ही नहीं है. Nobody is aware. ये क्या है जिससे आप कोई भी सपना देखो पूरे होते हैं. You dream of something and you get it. Dream of something and you get it. It is so simple. And life is so simple. Life is amazing. You just have to need to understand the laws of nature.